Okay, October 16th, Friday, my daughter's birthday, and we just finished trading. We trade the NASDAQ and the ES futures, day trading. First thing is our disclaimer. Be careful when you're trading. All of our results are hypothetical for educational purposes only, and only trade with money that you are willing and able to lose. All right, let's take a look at our chart today. It's still moving. So here's what we did today. We have the ES over here and the NQ. And we started off today with a little bit of a break-even trade on the ES. I'm going to try to open this up a little bit to show you what's going on. I put these lines up here. This is the Globex overnight trading. And this is where the market opens, 6:30 my time in California, right there. Vertical line. So you can see where the market opens. So this is prior. You can see a lot of support down here during the overnight, pretty straight, then starts to go up. So you've got a lot of support area down here, 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 and here. And then when the market opened, we were kind of consolidating, and then we pushed higher. And then the market came back down to this area of consolidation and strength and support, this area of support. So we took a quick trade here without waiting, and we didn't get much out of it. So I don't think we got more than a point out of that, although it did bounce way higher, because typically we like to see that the price is going to hang out here a little bit and then go higher. That's the proper, that's usually and proper how market works. Doesn't quite turn that quickly, and it came back down. And here it did hang out, okay? So we got a nice trade off over here, off of this level, and we got 5 points in. And we knew that the market was going to kind of be consolidating most of the day today, because this was the high of the day, and other attempts by the market to rally higher, and we're still live right now, have failed. So pretty much I knew we were going to be in this area. So when I went for 5 points, I wasn't expecting it to go higher than here. I was just looking for a small amount of money. But we got in down here, which was the proper place to get in at support, right over here. And let's take a look at the NQ. Same pattern today. Overnight, a little bit more strength in the NASDAQ. And you can see overnight it was moving higher all night long. So it had good strength, opened right here in the morning, consolidated like the ES, and then moved higher. Never got above this price at all. And then we had a real falling out of the NQ. And it can be pretty volatile. I thought it was only going to come back down to here like the ES, but it actually dropped right through. So we placed an order to buy right here. We had an order to buy because we were pretty sure it was going to bounce, but we were wrong. It came right through here, and we thought it would even hold over here, but it didn't. It blew right through that area of support and finally found support right here. So we ended up buying in those 3 places. We bought initially over here, we bought here, and we bought here. So we averaged in all along the way, and we got out right here with a small gain of around $200. So a lot of pain today in this trade. We were not expecting it to blow through all these areas of support as quick as it did, but we were able to average in our shares. We knew the market was going to go higher, and so we got out over here. And we got out, and we thought it might go a little higher up, back over to here, but we don't want to take that chance because we could see that it was not really feeling strong like it wanted to go through over here. So we got out, And we thought about repurchasing right here, which would have been a good area, but we didn't feel, because it didn't hold here, this would be a good area to buy in. So we did not repurchase shares here. It did move back up, and we thought at this point it was going to drop back down. So we took a short buy here. I'm sorry, we thought it was going to go back up, go up. We said, okay, here's an area of support. It'll go up. You know, you can see it right here. It can go either way. The market doesn't even know what it's doing. So we had it. It was a 50-50 shot, and we decided to go long. We could see it wasn't doing much. We got out very quickly. And the fact that it went up a little bit higher over here and finally pushed up to this point is no surprise, but is late in the day. It's Friday. Why take a chance? So we did pretty well. We made $563 today. This trade here on the ES gave us just shy of 200, and this trade, I'm sorry, this trade on the NQ gave us just shy of 200, and this trade on the ES was 5 points with one contract, and that gave us 250. We did make a little bit of money on this one as well, so we ended up with $563 today. All in all, it was a choppy day, but you know, we love trading. And let me bring you over to our website. We are at intradevest.weebly.com. Been doing this for a long time. We've been trading for around 30 years. You can have our signals auto traded. You could have the signal sent to you if you want to do your own trading. You can come into our room and trade. I would suggest around $10,000 for trading 1 to 2 contracts, which is what we do. I mean, you should have a decent amount of capital. I wouldn't suggest you come in with $500 to $1,000. That's kind of silly. This month we're up a little over almost 2,500. We've been pretty good over the last several months. September, you can see all of our trades on our website. You can see the ES. We can mark everything off clearly, what the price, what the date, the price we entered, whether we made money, lost money. Everything is tabulated very clearly. If you want to take a look a little further at our website, again, it's intradevest.weebly.com. On the top there, we have a trading room, offer a free trial of 7 days. So come on in, doesn't cost you a penny. See if you like our style of trading. And if you don't, then take a week with us. And thanks very much for giving us a shot, and you won't be charged a dime. If you want to come in, you like what we're doing, like our results and how we trade. We use a lot of support and resistance, and we have a couple of other indicators. We're pretty good at what we're doing. We can see a lot of synergy in the market and how it works. So we can teach you a lot, and we're looking for a nice group of traders to trade with. So we'd love to see you come on in and give it a shot. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great weekend.